Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Face ID is active and camera permissions are granted. This lets the system map faces for tagging and quick access. Next, open the Camera or Photos app and choose Portrait or Regular mode depending on effect. Position the subject roughly 1 to 3 feet from the lens, avoid backlighting, and make sure the face fills the frame but isn't cropped. Once done, you'll capture accurate facial data and consistent results in subsequent steps. You now capture the images and create reliable face matches by taking multiple shots, straight on, 3/4, and a slight angle. Use Portrait or Auto mode and tap to focus on the eyes so the system assigns higher confidence to key facial landmarks. After importing or shooting, go to Photos, Open People, and review detected faces. Add names or merge duplicates to improve recognition. Make sure to save the best photo as the key image, so future matches are faster and more accurate. Finish by refining your face library. Merge groups that belong to the same person and remove mismatches to reduce false positives. If Face ID-based photo tagging fails, retake shots in soft, even light and ensure the face isn't obscured by glasses or heavy shadows. If problems persist, restart the device and, as a last resort, reset Face ID and re-enroll faces. That rebuild clears mapping errors. One key tip: inconsistent lighting is the most common cause, so correct that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.